So this is an occurrence that happens to me more often than not. When the garbage trucks come by and when it's a windy day, this thing flips open, and when the clamps get it, it latches out of place and then it doesn't close, right? So as a girl, I use my handy blow dryer. And this is, I just heat this plastic and then it'll become flexible, because right now there's no way, it just doesn't want nothing, it won't budge or nothing. So what I do is I heat this up and then it'll become flexible and then I latch it on. Let me show you. Now, make sure it's not too hot. Just there we go. There we go. See that? Closes. Thanks for watching. I hope it helps.